Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add multiple audio track to your Instagram reel. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to launch my Instagram application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create an Instagram reel. I'm going to click on this plus icon, and then I'm going to select reel. Okay, I'm gonna select reel, and for example, I'm just going to select a image from my gallery. Okay, and then I'm going to click on next, and here you will be able to use auto sync feature on your Instagram reel. But if you don't want to use the auto sync, you can just skip this step. Click on skip option, and then you're going to click on edit video. Okay, and then I'm going to add the first audio track to this reel. So we can click on tab to add audio. Okay, then you can choose the audio you want to add to your reel. And for example, I'm just going to search for a music. I'm going to search this one. Okay, I'm going to select this one, and I'm going to add it to my reel. Then you can select the part you want to add. Okay, then click on done after you're done choosing the part. Okay, and the first audio track has been added. Then I'm going to add the second audio track to this reel. We can click on add audio again, and then choose the second audio you want to add. I'm just going to go to the trending audio. For instance, I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, then I'm going to click on this icon to add it to my reel. Okay, and wait for a moment. Okay, as you can see guys, that 2 audio tracks have been added to my Instagram reel. And if you want to add more audio track, you can go to the add audio and then choose the audio. Okay, that's very easy, right? Okay, and now I have 3 audio tracks on my reel. Then you can click on this option, and once you're ready, you can click on share, and then your Instagram reel with multiple audio tracks will be shared. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add multiple audio track on Instagram reel. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.